Hola a todos. Soy el Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in Spanish, Catalan, as well as in many other languages. The name of this transnational criminal organization from Venezuela is pronounced
Tren de Aragua. Tren de Aragua.
The letter G in the final word is pronounced very softly, as it sits between two vowels.
Tren de Aragua. Tren de Aragua. Tren de Aragua.
All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.